Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this tricky math question, but we will solve it step by step. If you have already solved this, then go and comment right answer. I will give you a heart. And for those who don't know how to solve this, I will solve for them. So here we will do PEMDAS rule, parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now first operation will be for parenthesis, and inside that expression 6 plus 4 divided by 2, and for the priority we will give division in the first priority, as you know, division then addition. So our question will become 6 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 2, multiply by 3. Now 6 plus 2, that is 8, into 3, 6 plus 2, that is it, multiply into 3, and 8 times 3, that is equal to 24. 8 into 1, that is 8, 8 into 2, that is 16, 8 into 3, that is 24. So here answer is 24. And if you want to do a hero in mathematics, go and check out our 13 books which will be available on Amazon, and buy that book and be a master in mathematics. Keep watching, keep subscribe our videos.